focusing on labels DON. So, ang level of service na discuss naman sa ating quarter, o na lang, basta ang level of service, gamit siya to evaluate the quality of traffic flow on the roadways. Para po makatabang na siya pag-plan sa atong mga daan kung saan traffic control sa daan. So, ang level of service, para ma-identify na ako ang level of service, good or bad na siya itulo ka criteria. The first one is na speed, tapos density ng delay. So, speed, average travel speed, a measure of how many vehicles can traverse a roadway. So, sa speed, kung higher than ang speed, it means na siya higher po na ilang level of service, hindi siya traffic, pas na tindagan. Tapos sa density, opposite siya speed, taas ang density, lower ang iyang level of service. It means traffic siya at higher density. So, ang sa delay ay the additional time required the vehicle to travel a roadway position to perfectly flow condition. So, sa delay, maunay ang travel time experienced by drivers due to congestion or traffic. So, let's start with the level D. So, level D represent roadway operating at near capacity with a stable traffic flow and high levels of delay. So, in level D, more beginning na siya sa congestion or sa traffic. And there will be some delay, but especially in
The level of service B, good quality but some delays as more cars are on the road. Drivers often need to pass lower vehicles. So, sa LOSB, means traffic flows smoothly but with slight delays and more vehicles on the road, allowing drivers to maintain good speeds with minor restrictions on movement. So, kapag ganito ang level of service A kay freely ka mag-change lane, tapos ang desired speed mo kay depende sa mo ito ang level of service kay wala kayo mga sakyanan. Then sa level of service B, kaya na yung mga restrictions, dili ka lang pagsadalan, na yung mga sakyanan. So kato, pwede ka mag-overtake sa mga slower vehicles na mo. Tapos dili kayo siya ka na kalit ka mag-change lane kay na yung mga sakyanan. Then, sa ATS, kay 50 to 55 miles per hour. Tapos, PTSF, delays 35 to 50% sa Class 1 or 40 to 55% sa Class 2. Then, max flow rate, kay 780 vehicles per hour. And level of service C. Traffic is heavier and cars form groups harder to pass other vehicles. So, katong ganina sa level of service B, kaya pwede kang mag-overtake sa mas lower or mas lower side mo ng mga vehicles. Then, restriction or need mag-ingat mag-change.
Is like ako na siya, report card lang siya, so gina-evaluate niya kung sa level of service ang sa taas sa specific na highway. So, if A siya, so A is the field law and F is so, if ang kagaling ka is kanang concept lang siya, so ang ako is determination of laws, which is application sa akong concept sa kanina. This is the determination of laws or level of service varies based on the type of infrastructure being analyzed. So, it's like determine lang din niya if kung sa grade niya ginabutang sa A siya o sa D. So, later part, akong hindi na lang ipakita kung saan niya mga characteristic or kung saan dapat matawag if grade A siya or grade 2. So, it involves data gathered analysis. So, the word data gathered analysis, so it's a real-time data. So, we engineers or surveyors, so we must go to the highway to get data for that specific time anak na highway. So, kung ano to ang speed ba niya, ang iyang density, kung saan flow na ang specific na highway or roadway. So, according sa kanang HCF or the highway capacity manual, so, gina-grade